On the brain, on the impact level, in the adaptation phase, we saw these sharp rings, remember? These very sharp rings. And now in the restoration phase, they start filling, they start swelling with edema, they start filling up a little bit. And if you would look at the CT scan, you see them like kind of swimming away, kind of fading away. This is to take up the rings, the energy of the rings takes up more water, which shows a display of watering down or swelling and kind of slowly disappearing rings.
Do you want to learn more? Why don't you let me know what you would like to learn, so I can make more of that.